on a sunny, breezy day forms genuine moments of shared culinary effort.
Stuffed cabbage rolls, another Middle Eastern and Central Asian dish. Stuffed cabbage rolls. Malfouf.
Lahana sarması.
Golupsi.
Karam dolma. We separate and slice thoroughly pre-washed cabbage leaves into flat sheets. Placing enough amount of meat, filling on each. And rolling them tightly, but keeping the filling inside the roll. The important part of quantitative meals is doing it together. Placing each roll in a narrow pot. Recipe and details in the comments. Pour the sauce and water on top of the wraps. After on the stove for 30 minutes.
We feast the delight.